Let's make a dollhouse out of a recycled box inspired by Gabby's dollhouse.
That sounds amusing. But before we get into the action, like Mercat always says, safety before science.
Have an adult help you with this.
Okay.
First, let's cut the box to turn it into a dollhouse. Don't forget to add a little support beam behind the roof. Next, let's paint. Let's build the inside of the dollhouse. Next, let's make the door.
It's just as I expected! Green with white stripes!
Last but not least, let's decorate the inside.
Whoa! Isn't that cool?
Aw, it's all our friends from Gabby's dollhouse. Carlita's coming through. And is that Pandy Paws?
It's time for a dollhouse delivery! Come on, Pandy!
Ooh, baby box! It's Mercat. Hi, Kiki Cat. Hi, DJ Catnip. Now that's what I would call cat-tastic. Thanks for crafting with Gabby's Dollhouse. See you next time.